How to unlock financial, location, and time freedom with the Golden Link lifestyle business. What freedom actually is about. You want to travel the world, quit your job, work from wherever, and never have to answer to anyone again. Whether it's having more time to bake and cook gourmet meals without ever feeling rushed. Rolling around in the dirt, smelling the sunshine, and embracing the crisp breeze outside all afternoon with the dogs or the kids or both. Traveling to cozy, forgotten cobblestone alleyways, draped with lush green vines and fresh blooms in ancient European cities. Smelling the freshly ground espresso beans, wafting from a small Italian cafe first thing in the morning. Or simply sleeping in and spending your day immersed in story, in songs, in creativity. You need a business that gives you all three pillars of freedom, financial, location, and time, to make that happen. And that's exactly what our Golden Link, high-ticket affiliate marketing system does. If you are done dreaming and ready to start acting, then this is what you've been waiting for. We can show you how to build a business that will create the life you're dreaming of. Get instant access to the exclusive free masterclass, and get ready to start your odyssey.